Eugene. Sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging asawa si Aris na narito ngayon, alinsunod sa batas at mga ilituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Yes po.
Thank you. Macy, thank you. Wow! Plastic. Ganda. 10, pang beauty.
Sa aking anak na bunso, si Cyrus. Sa aking anak na panganay, si JP.
Thanks.
Wow!
You are the sunrise waking my day. You are the moonlight shining my way. This is where I call.
Hi, mahal, loves and papi.
You are the
This is it. Ito na ang hinihintay natin na may kasal sa church. Happy 25 years anniversary. Thank you sa lahat ng sacrifice, support mo sa amin ng mga anak mo. Alam ko marami na tayong mga pinagdaanan na mga struggles bilang sa buhay. Pero lahat yun nalalagpasan natin na magkasama tayo.
My safety and my shelter. Your love is my home.
Ay, mahal. Mahal, today I vow and always cherish the beautiful soul that you are. I promise to support and encourage your dreams, to hold hand through life's challenges, and to celebrate every triumph by our side. You are the light that fills my heart.
I'm lost at sea in waters unknown. You are the current pulling me close. This is where I call home. This is where I call home. Your love is like no other. Your love is where I feel alive. My safety and my shelter. Your love is my home. Your love has won me over. I'll always stay here by your side. My safety and my shelter. Your love is my home.
Pasensya din sa mga pagkukulang ko sa iyo at sa mga naging kasalanan ko. Promise ko po sa iyo na ikaw at ikaw lang ang lagi kong pipiliin. Mahal na mahal po kita hanggang sa huling hininga ng aking buhay.
I'm forever grateful, call you my partner, mahal. Mahal ko, I love you so much.
In the sun or rain, in the joy or pain, you will be my home.
Talagang kayo pinadaanan ng Diyos. na kayo pagsamahin habang buhay. Years in marriage, marami na kayong karanasan yan, Aris at Eugene, no? Lagi niya panghawakan yung makaranasan na yan upang panghabang buhay kayo nagsasama bilang mag-asawa sa mata ng tao at sa mata ng Diyos.